Previous, we'll start from the same thing. First class function. What do you mean by first class function? Is defined that we can write first class function can appear anywhere in the program. So you have a main, you can define integer, then you can define printf, you can define scanf, then you can define the function names. Or I can take that function name here also, or I can take the function name there also. I can define anywhere in my program. This is most important thing. It doesn't mean that I have to start from that. For an example, if you have a question number 1, 2, 3 to 10, this should be in an order. Whereas your long answers, what you have to do? 1, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9. It can be in any order. Nothing will happen. They'll give you the mark. Same way here also, first class function can appear anywhere in a program. The next part, closure. Closure is an inner function that can able to access variable of parent function even after the parent functions has executed. This is called by reference, called by value. If a function is already been executed, for an example, GCD function is or factorial of a function is already been executed. If that variable you want to use, the main function can able to use the value which is available in this one. This is part which can able to explain you in data structure, which is taken by Afzal Saab. It's very clear that closure properties, he can able to explain you all the details in that part. Don't worry about it, there is example of it. It's just something like that. When a function is used, when the function is executed, it can able to use the value after execution also. The variables we can able to use after execution of the function. Higher order function either take other function as argument or return them as a result. What do you mean by this one? One function result is being used for other function, or yes, one function result has been executed for other ones. Enter the name. Write a function for enter the name. Enter the name you have written. Okay, this is a function. Now roll number function I have written. In that I can use the function name function. So the name will come, roll number will come. Print, roll number, name and print. Another function I can use marks. So what will happen? Roll number, name, then I can do marks. So this function value is being used here. This two function value is being used here other. Higher order function either take the other function as an argument or return them as a value. So whatever the value here, you are getting here. Correct? This is one. Pure function is a function whose input are declared as input and none of them should be hidden. The output also declared. That's like nothing but your input statement. Main function, input statement. Whatever the input you hold, it should able to see it. Whatever the output is there, you have to able to see that part. This is the functional thing. The next slides we are going to see logical programming. The last part of this one is logical programming. What do you mean by logical programming? It's nothing but term of abstract model computing. It will solve logical problem like puzzles, series, etc. In logical programming, it should be knowledge based and we should able to give the knowledge to the computer. Based on that one, it will give you the result. We should know before and after in logical program, we have a knowledge base. We should give the knowledge. We know before along with the question, the knowledge base which is given to the machine, it produces the result. Means what? We have to give the knowledge to the machine and then we have to ask the question based on the knowledge and it will give you the result on one. The normal programming language, such concept of knowledge base is not available, but while using the concept of artificial intelligence, we are going to use it. The major thing is Prolog. What do you mean by Prolog? Where knowledge base is given to the machine language, the knowledge is given to the machine language, then we are going to ask the question to that one. The same way here also, before writing the examination, we'll give you the unit 1 notes, unit 2 notes. Based on that will give you the answer or will ask you the question. So if you don't have the unit 1, unit note 2, what you'll do? You'll ask me the question. Sir, we don't have the note. The same way here also, here we are going to give the knowledge to the computer. Based on that one, it is going to give you the answer. An example. here is a simple example. What is the likes? Mary likes food. It is written in prologue. Mary likes wine. John like wine. John like Mary. The following queries yield specific answers like Mary food, yes. John wine, yes. John food, is it no? No. Means we have already specified the knowledge to that one, we have specified the queries, and the result is already been given to you. How do you add the following fact? John likes anything that Mary likes. John like anything that, no. John like anyone who likes wine, yes. John like anyone who likes themselves. What about be John like anyone who likes wine. Wine is liked by this one, wine is liked by Mary. So John like anyone who likes wine. John like anything that like Mary. Mary like wine, Mary like food. John like only wine. So this is the part. John also like Mary. So what happened? Whatever the Mary like, John also like it. This is the questions we are going to ask this one. There is one more example which we are going to see based on this one. So remember thing, once they ask you, I'm only giving you the example. Based on the examples, you'll get very good marks because you know the knowledge. Everybody will see that you have able to explain something very good. Now let's move on to other one. So excuse me, Afzal sir, slide please. C++ is coming back. Before slide. Next slide. Yes. Okay, it's combined. Okay, now slightly simple one. James has two children, Charles and Elizabeth, and Catherine, Charles to James are the children of Charles. Elizabeth has a daughter, Sophia. Sophia has a daughter, George. Now here are the result or resultant clause. Male James, yes. Male Charles 1, male Charles 2, yes. Male James 2, yes. Male, no. George 1, yeah, George 1, male George 1. Female Catherine, yes. Correct. Female Catherine, female Elizabeth, female Sophia. These are the knowledge we have given to the computer. What are the results we are? Parent. Charles is the parent of James. Yes. Charles is the parent of James. Charles is the parent of James. Sorry, James is the parent of Charles. 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 James 1 is also parent of Elizabeth. Yes. Charles 1 is the parent of Charles 2. Yes. Charles 1 is also parent of Catherine. Then Charles 1 is also parent of James 2. Yes. Elizabeth is the parent of Sophia. Yes. Sophia is the parent of Georgia. Yes. This is the knowledge. These are the answers we are going. So based on that one, this is what. We'll stop here. The next topic will be covered in our next class, probably by tomorrow. Okay. Thank you very much.